What is up, guys? It's Paris from Clean to Industries, and we are here accepting delivery with Travis. And I'm so excited because his AP1 S2000 in Monte Carlo blue has arrived. This is a right-hand drive car. It has been imported by Top Rank out in Cali, and I'm so ecstatic that my boy gets to get this whole process started. We're gonna show you guys just how the trip went, everything from the transport, the drop-off, the pickup, everything. We wanted to document it just to share with you guys, because the Legends fam took good care of us. So shouts out to them. Check out this dope S2K.
Let's pause for a second. There's so much you don't know already, but I'd love to fill you in. Let's go back about a week.
Dude, nice, bro. Here you go. Look at that. It's got your name on it, bro. What the heck? Dude, getting wine and dine, bro.
I know.
Thanks, Legends. Got your itinerary. Sick.
At this point, Travis and I were starving, so we took a short walk down to the Poke Port, where we got a Pokerito and a Poke Bowl. This was incredible. It was a first for me, and a huge shout out to Justin for hooking us up. After scarfing down dinner, we decided we'd walk back to the hotel, and we noticed something out the corner of our eyes that was just glistening. It was around that time, so it was only right that for Christmas we came to check out this beautiful bug. This thing was sick and festive.
So excited. We're waiting on our ride. Travis is excited. He's just kind of locked in, I think. But we're gonna be picked up by the Legends VIP team, which huge shout out to you guys. Huge shout out to Legends Media. Dustin, you guys are killing it. So keep up the good work. We're excited to get a peek inside and behind the scenes of the whole shebang. And I'm excited to see this man's new car, S2000. That's right-hand drive. So, bro, don't panic, but
Yeah,
that's not a
great Tesla.
dude.
Yeah. FL5, bro.
Bruh. Yeah, we'll fix it. What the?
Now we were totally geeked. The itinerary said that we'd be picked up by a member of the Legends team. And friends, it was Dustin Williams himself that picked us up. By now, Travis and I are just pinching ourselves that we're walking into, yes, the Legends headquarters. Insane. It was an incredible sight. Huge shout out to our new friends, Jess and Mel from the Legends team. You ladies are rock stars. Now, the warehouse was absolutely heaven on earth. We even got to poke around a bit in the design studio just to get a peek at what 2026 beholds for the Legends media team. It was sick. So I hope you're staying tuned because it's going to be extremely exciting. Now, they had insisted that we get some early Christmas shopping done in-house. And you know us, we had to oblige. But after that, we headed up to the place where the magic happens.
Ready?
No,
You're
I'm
ready
still
for
not
your car?
ready.
Are you guys ready?
I am.
It's time. Tim?
Drum roll, please. This is dream ride. Morning, Tim.
Welcome to Legends HQ, man.
This is amazing.
So, Travis, number one, before we even show you the car, Tim and I want to say thank you for supporting us, watching. Without you and Paris over here watching the vlogs and supporting Legends, none of this in the shop would be possible. So thank you.
Thank you.
And congratulations, because this is your brand new car. Say hello to your new car.
Dude, just hanging out and about to take your new car for a rip, yeah? So we're out here hanging out with Dustin, and
Yeah.
the first car you picked, which one was it?
Well,
The
the Tokyo Drift.
and the lift is kind of
Can't come down, so they can't get it down. So that's fine. NSX is obviously still out of commission. Can't choose that. So I choose the Chaser, and now it's got a flat tire.
the shirt's tucked in. Okay.
That was insane.
Dude.
That was insane.
What's going through your
That
mind?
was insane. Ooh, it smells.
And now our day, our month, our year, it's all been made. Huge thanks to these guys. It's a surreal feeling just to be around the guys that inspire you to do exactly what you're doing. The reason this vlog exists has a lot to do with these guys. So thank you. We are truly blessed.
That Japanese is awesome.
Now we were heading to Old Town, where Travis and I joked that we hadn't had Cruising with Dud on our 2025 bingo card. They treated us to lunch, and we got to talk and share stories about cars, and really the things that make it so special to us.
And in case you were wondering, car giveaways are actually real. Big shout out to Legends Media. You guys are a class act and so kind. We are so grateful and that you've been so gracious to host us here in Temecula in Cali. And thank you guys so much for all that you do. Keep putting out the great content, and we will do the same. Keep inspiring, keep doing what you're doing, and we're gonna enjoy the rest of our trip. Oh, what a day. Holy Travis, man. Dude. Thank you again. I know I've said it. I've said it
real life, bro?
so many times.
We don't deserve this, man.
The crew at Legends, dude, we've been supporting for a while, me and Dez at least, and Travis has been supporting for a minute now, over a year. And man, dude, we couldn't say enough kind things about this team, and seeing the innards and how it works. It's just been such an eye-opening experience and inspiring. It's very humbling, and we're so grateful. We love you guys.
Dut is as real as real can be.
They say don't meet your heroes, and I said this before, but meet this guy. He's an incredible, hardworking gentleman, man. And dude, you deserve the world, bro, if you're watching this. But ultimately, support Legends Media, support car culture content like what we've gotten to experience in real life today out here in Temecula, California. So this is Mr. Clean. I'm signing out, man. This has been one of the best days of my life.
Yeah, for sure.
Easy. Like I don't know how else to put it, but you guys let the content speak for itself. Like, it was incredible. So thank you for tuning in. Thank you, Legends team. You guys rock. So we love you. We'll see y'all